and getting a change.
Here's Sean Skelly going wide. Got one into the slot area. They score! Adrian takes a 1-0 lead as it's put home in front by Zach Graham. And a power play goal with 5:41 to go in the first as the Bulldogs on top. Brought in by Dovey. He's by himself. He still carries on. He shoots. He scores! An unbelievable effort by Andrew Dovey, who outworks 3 Lakers, and he makes it 2-0 Adrian with just 15 seconds to go here in the first. That blue line. Mather down low. Moody looking for that stop attempt. Vogel had his stick on the ice. Held in by the Lakers. Another shot from Mather. He scores! Andrew Mather from the right face-off circle on the power play puts Oswego on the board. It's 2-1. Behind the net, Adrian looking dangerous. A pass to the front. They score. Sean Skelly, who leads Adrian in points, makes it 3-1. Another power down low to Lagunier. Crest Lagunier back to John Whitelaw, outer edge of the left circle. Whitelaw cross ice pass. Mather scores! That was not a replay, but it might as well have been for Andrew Mather. Same spot, same shot. Oswego back within 1. To knock it out of the air. He's got Titanic 2-on-1 in front. Booth shoots, goal! Ian Booth rips it glove side and ties the game at 3. On the ice, Eric Miller drops it off. Sean Skelly into the slot, gets free and scores. Oswego had all the momentum until Sean Skelly took it right back.